For precise measurement of a spherical or a cylindrical object, a screw gauge is the best instrument. An extremely fine-tuned screw gauge can be a bit difficult for untrained hands to use. Micrometer screw gauge is defined as an instrument that is used for measuring the diameter of thin wires, the thickness of small sheets such as glass or plastics. There are two parameters used in every screw gauge. They are pitch and least count of a screw gauge. What is the pitch? The pitch of the screw gauge is defined as the distance moved by the spindle per revolution, which is measured by moving the head scale over the pitch scale in order to complete one full rotation. What is least count? The least count of the screw is defined as the distance moved by the tip of the screw when turned through one division of the head scale. Least count, LC, of the screw gauge equals pitch divided by total no dot of divisions on the circular scale. 1 mm divided by 100 equals to 0.01 mm. Now let's see the construction of screw gauge. Screw gauge consists of U-shaped frame with a stud called anvil on one side, and other side consists of spindle. It is the fixed part mounted at one end of the frame, exactly parallel to the moving spindle which moves towards it. The object whose dimension is to be measured is held between the anvil and the spindle. Thimble is the part through which the measuring screw is rotated. This screwing results in the displacement of the spindle and thimble itself. A ratchet is a small device which is used to provide a limited applied force. A screw gauge has two scales, one rotating scale which can be found on its rotating cylindrical part. It is also called a circular scale, and the other one can be found on its stationary sleeve, which is called the main scale or sleeve scale. Circular scale has 100 scale over it. When the anvil and spindle of the screw gauge are made to touch each other, then the 0 on the main scale should match with a 0 on the circular scale. There are two types of zero error. Positive zero error. If the 0 mark of the circular scale is below the main scale line, then the 0 error is said to be positive. Negative zero error. If the 0 mark of the circular scale is above the main scale line, then the 0 error is said to be negative. Stay connected for more such interesting videos. Make sure to like, share and subscribe my channel.